It's going to take 6 years to get out there. Just think about the science, it's just bonkers. The solar array is a powerhouse for the spacecraft on its journey from Earth to Europa. We've just completed our first flight-like deployment, and this is how it will deploy in space. These solar arrays are so big, we can only test one wing at a time. These solar arrays are really unique in that not only do they need to survive extremely cold temperatures, minus 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it's also meant to survive the extremely harsh Jupiter radiation environment. We've built the solar arrays on Earth, we've tested them, but now they're actually going to Jupiter to provide power to all the instruments in the spacecraft to send back valuable science. It's an engineering feat that we're able to develop this. It is extremely exciting for me to be part of that.